Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the die-cast model of Tata Sumo. So let's take it out. This is the model of Tata Sumo. This is a 1:32 scale model manufactured by Shinsei Toys. This is one of the rarest model made by Shinsei. This die-cast Sumo Victa comes with a carriage above. Tata Sumo is a 9-seater MPV. This has two openable front doors. Tata Sumo was also used by police service and is a well-known off-roader made by Tata Motors. Check the description to know more about Tata Sumo. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my video. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell button to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So till our next video, bye.